There is much being said about whether or not the Yaqub Memon execution is right and whether he deserved a second chance. We catch up with senior advocate KTS Tulsi, who tells NNIS that the debate is now academic and there is no question of any further debate of guilt as all legal options had been exhausted in the case.
I think now the debate is academic, and we must all accept the superior wisdom of the courts. The courts have gone into each and every aspect with regard to his guilt, and it has been held that he was central to the conspiracy, and the entire selection of the targets was also done by him, and the distribution was done by him just one day before perhaps he left India. The question really is that once the appeal is dismissed, then the review is dismissed, then curative is dismissed, how many times can the courts go into it? I think about 12 judges have gone into this matter and independently applied their mind and come to the same conclusion that he is guilty. So there is no question of any further debate on guilt. The question really is that was there any promise made to him? With regard to that, the Supreme Court has inquired into this on the basis of the writ petitions that were filed and the review that was filed. If there was any material, it would have been placed before the court. Attorney General is the responsible officer of the government, and he has categorically made a statement there was no promise made to him. And if that is the situation, then I think the Raman theory, of course, did create a stir, but it should now be, we should now all be satisfied with the court having not only given a leeway in the matter of deciding review, but also further challenge to the rejection of his representation by the President around the midnight. So the court has shown its maximum concern for his life and for the sake of justice. To be able, because justice should not only be done but must appear to be done, and the court for the first time in its history sat after midnight in the courtroom in the Supreme Court and heard both parties and thereafter again confirmed their verdict. So ad nauseam we can go on debating because death sentence is an emotive issue. But we must realize that we have to accept the verdict and that the court knows better than us, because the court views the case from a neutral perspective.
Powered by NNIS.